Alright guys, following up on my last 2 or 3 videos regarding this Hemi Tick, and after much investigation and you know, I've also brought it to the dealer to get it inspected, and also got myself a little bit more knowledgeable on the subject. Watch a lot of you guys out there that have some videos about it, and some mechanics that have some possible explanation to it. But in this case, I believe this is simply the injectors, as you can hear it here very clearly. Classic injectors sound, ticking sound. So yeah, I mean, a lot of you guys commented below, and I think that's the situation right here. It's noisy, for sure. There is some pulley noise here, and I think just standard Hemi noise, but I don't think it's a cam, nor the lifters. There you have it. The car's running fine. I mean, it's not misfiring. There's no knocks. It's great, actually. Check this out. Thanks for watching. Come again. New content coming shortly. Thanks.